What's up?
I think I decided to do a YouTube video because, well, I'm bored. It's like 3:14 in the morning, 55 seconds into the video, and I already look retarded. But it's okay. Look, it's my flat iron. It kicks so much monkey butt. This is my old hair straightener. Look how big it is. Chunky, chunky, chunky. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, it's really hard to look into the camera instead of... Yeah, I was right. It's really hard to look into the camera, which really wasn't my point, but I like my hair straightener, so I'm gonna make it my point. That's like one of those chicks who wants to lose weight, but they can't because he failed. And it's really hot. Oh my god. Ow. Ow. It's hot. Yes, I know. I have a lot of pictures on my wall. Look at it. Look at all the wonderful memories and pictures. That is years of photos. It's a lot of pictures. Yes. Those my friends. You don't really see most of them very often. I guess like yeah, we don't want to get into those stories about it. I think it's kind of cool that I got a webcam. And sorry for the bad resolution. It's a webcam. I don't feel like getting the camera out. By the way, I got a camera. It's freaking awesome. Crap! Look at it. I can freaking see you.
I'm recording, and this is the awesome camera. It's a Canon, and you can see my laptop from here. Yeah, I'm a dork, but it's okay. It is alright to be a dork. I like it.
It's okay to be retarded. Christmas passed, all my friends were like all up in my face for Christmas with text messages saying, Merry Christmas! Oh my god, Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Oh my god, Merry Christmas! And text messages. I just kind of turned off my phone. I wasn't there. I look like crap right now. I'm gonna just tell you the truth. I went to sleep in my makeup, so it's all smeared. And I look like I'm really tired, but I'm not. Yeah. I'm a good sleeper, so I didn't get makeup on my pillow. Sing! And new pillows, by the way. It's so cute! Okay, I'm gonna stop. Another new pillow! That's guitars on it! Softness. And if I go to a store and I see like 50% of people that know my daughter, I'm gonna be pissed. I don't know what to talk about now. So I'm gonna end this. So, yeah. I'm gonna end this right now. Peace.
You cute.